Hello everyone, so I'm just going to share what all I did in my student's notebook. She is my 4-year-old student. So when she came, she was only knowing the sound of the letters. So I randomly told the sound and she has had to write one letter. Like for example, I told D, that means she has to write D, right? Similarly, I took the beginning sound test that I've given a picture, and from which letter does it start? It starts with the letter F. So flower, F. Then I started with 2-letter blending, which is at, an, as, am, as, and then I took dictation of it. I gave her this particular thing that listen to the sound. I've already written these things inside and then color it. So whatever I say, you have to listen. Like for example, if I say ob, find where is it? It's over here. Then color this. Then again, 2-letter blends. I've given dictation. And then when I thought that she is doing correctly, then we moved to 3-letter. Now she was able to automatically crack 3-letter because after 2-letter, it becomes very easy 3 letters. This is what I was not sure whether she's able to do the middle sound properly. So I gave the blank space in between and wrote S and N. Then I told the word sun. So she has to find the middle letter. Took the dictation of 3-letter, gave something to write, and then again similarly, whatever I say, you have to color. Like for example, if I say man, find where it is written from all the boxes, all the circles, and then color it. I told her that I'm giving you letters, and then you have to draw a picture beginning with that letter. B, so she has drawn ball. T, tree, likewise. And then again I did 3-letter dictation. Then again middle letters, whether she's doing up to the mark. Again dictation, again dictation. So lot of practice. And then when I thought that okay, she's ready, I gave some sentences to write. Over here I have given her one coding activity. For example, 6. So 6 has which vowel? S, I, X, I. Vowel is I. That means I. That means green color. So go and color green. Then again some dictation, and then I gave her a particular picture and she has to write the entire 3-letter word. 3-letter pictures only I've given. And then I explained her finally that what are vowels and what are consonants, so that I can go ahead and teach her consonant blends. So we started with a beginning consonant blend, and then I gave consonant blend dictation. I taught and then I gradually gave her the word. So gl, am, glam. She was able to crack it. Again, we did beginning letter consonant blends practice to write words starting with these consonant blends. Like for example, sm. So she has to think and write a particular word. This was a homework given, so I think she has taken help from her mother. Then I taught ending consonant blends, which is tent. This is the ending consonant blend. Consonant blends are present at the end of the word. And then I started taking dictation of the ending consonant blends. So by the time she got very much clear with what are beginning, what are ending consonant blends, and very comfortable with all the words. And then I keep on taking dictations, and then simultaneously I started with sight words.